Guys, welcome to another video of mine. Alright, just a public service announcement. I just want to implore you guys to stay safe during this coronavirus outbreak. Remember hygiene, stuff like that. Alright, what I'm gonna be teaching you in this video today, I know that most persons will be at home, not able to go to work. So what I've found is a website that you can do simple tasks and you can get paid. You can make up to $10 in as little as an hour by doing simple tasks like such as like Facebook pages, comment on YouTube channels, visiting websites, stuff like that. Alright, so you can see get paid to shop and instant shopper. Create a Gmail account, you get 8 cents. So you can get like 24 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents for doing simple jobs. And the good thing about this method is that it is worldwide, so no matter where in the world you are, you can sign up for this for free. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description that you can use to sign up, and you will get a 50-cent sign up bonus once you use my link. And it also pays through PayPal, it pays through Bitcoin, Visa, MasterCard. So there's a lot of way here you can collect your money. You have to earn a minimum of $5 before you can withdraw. And so let me log in and show you what it's like on the inside as well. Alright, inside, so this is my dashboard. I found out about this yesterday, and so far I've 80 cents in the balance, and I have 17 cents pending review. That's basically when I complete the task. The person that set the task, they basically review it to make sure I did everything correctly, and once they approve, that 17 cents will be added to my 80 cents up here. So I'm almost at $1. Alright, so you would just go here and click small jobs, and you would see this. You can sort by the newest jobs, or you can sort by the most paying jobs. So right here, this one says Instagram follow. So basically it tells you the name of the Instagram page that you need to look for right here, and then you would just search for that page and follow them. So let me see if I can find that with my Instagram app real quick, and just do this one and let you see what's up. Instagram load up, I would just go to search right here, and then I would paste that username. Here we go, found it. And then I would just click follow. Alright, and then what they ask for proof, I would click I accept this job, and what they ask for proof is my Instagram name, and the Instagram page that I used to follow this would be Web Designs JA. Let me just make sure that's how I spelled it, so I have it correctly. So that's what, let me just copy and paste just to make sure, because I want to get paid for this. Alright, so Web Designs JA, and then I would just click I have confirmed that, and see job well done. So if I go here and refresh, so pending review is 19 cents. So I just made 2 cents by liking an Instagram page. So you can do many of these simple tasks on this website throughout the day. You can spend like an hour if you want to maximize it, because you can see there's 287 jobs here, and I think it updates every hour or every 2 hours. So there's always jobs on here. And a really cool thing that I like about this, it has a referral system as well. So if you know someone that is looking for a job, you will have your own referral link. Like I'm gonna share mine with you. For each job that someone that you refers they do, you get 5% for each task for life. So I have one person that I shared it with to test this out, and she earned 14 cents, and as you can see I got 1 cent commission. So it's not anything that will get you rich overnight, but it adds up. So if you spend some time on this every day, you can go to real time to see how persons are earning right now on this. So these are recent workers who, like, in the last few hours they've earned. So we have someone earning 10 cents here, $159. But this is probably someone that has like a team of persons helping them to just complete a lot of tasks real fast. As you can see, they did 3,000 tasks, and this person got $159, $7. So there's a lot of people on here from around the world, and there you go, there's my name here. I made 29 cents by doing 9 tasks, so that's really cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna keep this video too long, so definitely you can check this out. You can share it with your friends as well, share it with your family, the persons that are gonna be home in this time frame that we're here, and you can start making some money online for free, no sign up, anything like that. All right, so remember, I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell if this video was of value to you. And also remember to comment in the comment section if you have any questions. All right, see you in the next one.